Three. Yo, ECT's in the house with VCCD. What's the name of VCCD? What's your name?
Valloraa.
Valloraa what?
Kyra D'Souza.
Yes, Valloraa Kyra D'Souza with ECD. And she's my baby girl. And she's going to be on the electric guitar. Show them the guitar. Oh, yes. And then she has a what? What is this called? The green thing? What's the green thing called?
Pick.
It's a pick. Okay. So we're going to play Country Roads, and it's a very old song, and I don't know some of the words, but so excuse me, yeah. So, and when Daddy starts, you will also go, okay? Almost heaven. Again. Country road, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, mountains my mind, take me home, country road. Should we do another one for them? Should we do another one?
Nope, but I could do this, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Today was gonna be the day that they go toward back to you. By now you should have somehow realized what you gotta do. I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now. What happened? Oh, you want to do it like that? Okay. This is a live concert. Live concert. We're doing a live concert. So should we play a Goan song? Deje ogle no bella. Take a piece of corn and kella. La 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 yo moga gopandoruna shetatuka yo moga gopandoruna shetatuka la 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 Yeah, that's the way.